To talk to you today about why New Year's resolutions just never work for the way we set them out to be. So have you ever set a New Year's resolution, gone all in for a few weeks, and then burn out completely? Maybe it was hitting the gym every day, starting a strict diet, or working towards a financial goal, only to fall back into old habits. Does this sound familiar? The truth is, it's not your goals that are too hard, it's your approach. Most people try to force change when what they really need to do is to shift their identity. When I learned about this concept, it changed everything for me. In the book Atomic Habits by James Clear explains that lasting change doesn't come from what you do, but from who you are. You don't just work out occasionally, you become someone who works out. You don't diet, you become someone who eats healthy. The mindset shift is the key to creating real sustainable transformation. So if you're ready to become the person who naturally achieves their goals, then let me show you how. And I just want to ask you, have you ever wondered why lasting change feels so hard? Deep down, you know you're capable of more, don't you? What if the secret isn't in trying harder, but in becoming someone new? Does the idea of creating effortless change sound too good to be true? Just imagine a life where your goals align naturally with your identity. Can you see it? Think about the people you admire, the ones who effortlessly live the life you want. Maybe it's someone who eats clean, works out daily, or manages money like a pro. What's their secret? It's not just discipline, it's identity. They don't try to eat healthy. They are just that kind of person who eats healthy. They don't try to work out. They're a gym rat. For years, I set big goals and failed because I approached them the wrong way. I tried to force change, and that's what a lot of people do, especially with their New Year's resolution. I dive headfirst into massive action, working out an hour a day, cutting out all carbs, or trying to save half my income. Inevitably, it felt too hard to sustain, and I'd quit. When I discovered the concept of identity shifting, everything changed. Instead of focusing on what I wanted to do, I focused on who I wanted to become. I became a student of success, health, and wealth. I started small, building habits that aligned with my new identity. And over time, these habits grew, and so did I. So, here's how you can make this life changing shift too. And I'm going to give you the 3 secrets to shifting your identity. Secret number 1, make it a study. You want to transform your body, study health and fitness. You want to grow your income, dive into books, courses, and podcasts about money, investing, and business. Become a student of your desired identity, and it immerses you in the knowledge and mindset needed for change. When you learn about something deeply, it starts to shape how you see yourself and how you see the world. Secret number 2, start small. Big changes often fail because they're too overwhelming. Instead, start tiny. If you want to work out, commit to 5 minutes a day. That's it. If you want to eat healthier, swap one snack for a fruit or a veggie. If you want to improve your finances, start with saving just $1 a day. It's not about intensity. It's about consistency and building these habits. Build small wins that reinforce your new identity. Secret number 3, scale gradually. Once your habits are in place, now it's time to scale them. Extend your workouts to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 30 minutes. Save more each week. Experiment with more advanced nutrition or fitness strategies. By gradually increasing the intensity and the duration of your habits, you'll solidify your new identity and unlock greater results. This approach has helped me leapfrog my way to better results, a healthier life, and the biggest paydays of my career. And I know it could do the same for you. Stop setting resolutions that don't stick. Instead, shift your identity and become the person who naturally achieves their goals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our blog, and like our Facebook page for more transformative strategies like this. Let's take your journey to the next level. The life you want starts with who you choose to become. Let's do this together. Talk soon.